In this video, I will show you how to find the XRP destination tag on TrustWallet. To get started, open up the TrustWallet application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all features seamlessly. Once inside the app, tap on the search bar at the top. Type in XRP and hit Done. From the list that appears, select XRP by tapping on it. Now that you're on the XRP wallet page, locate and tap on the Receive button. Here you'll see a QR code along with several options beneath it, such as copy, set amount, and share. Remember, it's crucial only to send XRP assets to this address. Sending other assets could result in them being lost forever. To copy your wallet address for easy sharing or pasting elsewhere, simply tap on the copy option located below the QR code. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.
Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.